Welcome to one of the best deals for a commercial building. We have 5.5 acres here, 5,700 square feet of commercial space right behind me here in this building. Let me show you inside. As soon as we step inside here, we have a great office space. We got a desk set up in here already, 2 more office spaces in the back here, a break room and bathroom, but most importantly, I'm sure what you're here for is this really great industrial space in here. Just to build a building like this with these steel frames is so expensive. But the value here is that you have 2 doors on this side, 2 doors on that side. You have 4 pull-through doors, about 18 foot tall, 20-foot ceilings here. And you can even build another spot on top of these office spaces if you needed that much space. You have heating in here, HVAC outside to cool all of our office spaces here, cool the inside. Our heating up top here, which are our propane heaters, super great. Big thing, outside here, we have all of that parking space. Currently, the owner rents them out for tractor trailers, companies that need more additional space. So you can make money from that as well. If you're an HVAC company, a roofing company, mechanical company, repair company, this place is perfect. We are 8 minutes from 81, which is a huge hot spot for obviously so much traffic coming through there. The VA is 2 minutes from us, right around the corner. The Martinsburg VA, amazing place where there's tons and tons of business rolling through there. And we're about a minute from Route 9 that runs right by here. So super good spot. If you want to get here and see this place for yourself, also, I forgot to mention security fence around the entire 5.5 acre perimeter, which is amazing. You have max security. Your employees, tractor trailers, if you're renting this, they can pull right up, open that gate, come right in, fully secured location, super valuable. So if you're looking for a commercial space, come out here and see this thing before it's gone. See you soon.